Hi again, it's Denise. I want to show you the herbs that we cut off from the hydroponics 3 weeks ago. I showed you to go ahead and put them in some water so that they grow roots, and now they've been there for 3 weeks. The root system is really nicely coming out, so we're going to go ahead and plant them in the hydroponics. I want to also show you the difference here with the two plants. I made an error of using a much longer stem, and as you can see here, it's much shorter. This is so much better because now I'm going to have all this sticking out of my net pot, which is not, you don't want that because it's just wasting space. But I don't want to cut it again because I think these may have dried out now and wouldn't root, so I'm going to use them anyway. But there's our 4 basil plants, and we're going to go and put them in hydroponics. Hi again. Okay, so now we're back into the hydroponics area. I realized I didn't even change my shirt. I have my little elf shirt on because this morning I was doing a gig face painting. So that's why I have the elf shirt on. Alright, so for hydroponics, these have been going for 3 weeks now, and they are doing like fabulous. Like, look at how beautiful these leaves are. The collards are growing well. But what happens with hydroponics, you do have to give them food. Plants need food, just not water. So I'm going to go ahead and give them some supplement, which is a plant growth enhancer, Liquid Karma. And I'm also going to go ahead and add the Pure Blend Pro, and it's a Pro Grow that's vegetative formula. So I have this little, I don't even know, drop that I go ahead and take. And every week I make sure to give them about 1 milliliter each pot. So I just go into one of the areas, the holes where there's no vegetables, and I go ahead and release that in there, and that'll give them food for the week. So the other one now I'm going to do is the Pure Blend, and I just go ahead again, and this one is a little deeper, and I'm going to give it to them, put it in, put back up to rinse it, and there you go. And that's all there is to it. Now they have their food for the week, and next week they're going to be even taller. Alright, so here I want to show you that you also have to keep an eye on the water level. It's too low now for my likings. So you just go ahead and just have room temperature water, fill it back up. You don't have to have it like at the beginning where they have to touch the net pot, like the bottom of the net pot. But you do want to keep the level, you know, high enough that the roots are always in the water. So every now and then I always check that and add water. Alright, so I brought up the basil that we rooted, and now we're going to place them, moving the ones that were just hiding the light from making algae in my water. I'm removing the pods, and I'm just going to go ahead and take one of my cuttings, and you want to just try and, like I showed you before, you want to try to put the roots down, and they're gonna go and feed themselves. Like, you don't have to make anything perfect here. And then we're just gonna go ahead and reuse our pebbles. There. And then we just go ahead, and now it's ready to go. It has its roots here that's going to just go down into the water. There's another reason why you want the water level to be high enough. And this one is empty as well, so I'm going to go ahead and continue the process, and I'll show you when I'm done.